If you're wondering where the CDI box is on a Honda Rancher 350 ES, we'll call this the passenger side fender. It's behind this plastic shield here. It's this box, and I already have this disconnected. This is the plug that comes from the ATV, and it goes on the top of the unit. Also, you have these two little prongs here that come from the ATV, and they go into these outlets from the CDI box. So when you're removing them, you may have to just twist them just a little bit to pull them out of there. And when this plug is on there, the way I got this off, this is the way it was on. So I just took my fingers and I squeezed it, and I took the screwdriver and just lifted it up a little bit there, and it came right off. And now we just take this box off and put on a new one. Once that's freed up, you just want to wiggle this down and out of this mounting bracket that it's in. Just watch your fingers, it's the frame. So now you know how to remove the CDI unit from a Honda 4Trax Rancher.